Welcome to Virtual Office Training. Today I am going to teach you how to use repeat header rows in Word 2010. Just open Word document. Now you can see here data which are in table format. Here you can see some headings which are item, USA and UK. We have sold keyboard 500 quantity in USA and 120 quantity in UK. If I go to the second page, you can't see any heading here. And if I go to the third page, there you can't see any heading too. How can I display main heading in every page? Just select main heading and go to the table tool. You can see layout option, layout tab here, and in layout you will see data. In data option, in data you can see repeat header rows. Just click repeat header row. If I go to the second page, you can see heading. If I go to the third page, you can see heading 2. This is very good option. If you want to repeat any heading, you can use this option. Hope this tip will be very helpful for you. Thanks for watching.